that Dr. Kalam belonged to. So it's kind of a deja vu moment for all of us. Ma'am, thank you again for being with us. Padma Bhushan Pullela Gopichan. If there was this cricket frenzy in this country, and then there became a badminton frenzy in this country. We all owe that to Pullela Gopichan garu. Um, and it's just a coincidence that everybody who would like to have an autograph or meet him or something like that, I get to interact with him so often through Lead India Foundation. And every word that he speaks is excellence and inspiration. Uh, I fondly call him Gopi because he's much younger to me, and I'll continue to take the liberty of doing that. Gopi, can we have some words of inspiration and also your understanding, your vision of Kalam's values?
Thank you very much, Pravina Garu. Her Excellency, Honorable Governor of Telangana, Madam Sandarajan, Parthasarthi Garu, Rajat Kumar Garu, and Acharya Garu, and to all my colleagues, and to all of you present here. I think it's really a great moment for me to be part of this organization. For me, I've known Acharya Garu. I've been part of this organization almost from the very beginning. And for me, the kind of work which the team has done years is truly inspirational. I think for any nation, any community to come up, it is very important. And as Lead India, I think to get people from almost very backward economic status and talk about a sense of pride, a sense of values, a sense of physical well-being, spiritual well-being, a sense of social bonding and strength, which is emotional and mental, and also to connect this on with the nation is so very important. And that's what Lead India movement has done. It's brought together people from the bottommost part of our society, from the economic strata, and given them these values, which actually have transformed them over the years. I've been true witness to many such cases over the years, and it's truly the great work and research and basically the physical push and the spiritual energy which is being given by the entire team. I would like to really congratulate Sudarshan Acharya Garu and his entire team for the research over the years to get a system like Aap Badhao Desh Ko Badhao into a model which is actually able to inspire people and to actually transform them, and also to make it a part of a system which can be made widely available. As a nation, this is something which we need for any country to come up. I think pride is very important. And Lead India, with this model, talks about our heritage, our culture, our history, and the reasons why we need to be proud of who we are. And that comes as a strong pillar on which we stand. And for any of us to be strong, we also need to be physically up there. And the model of Lead India talks about how it is very important that we change our habits to ensure that we become physically strong and also have a temper which is scientific in nature and which is not superstitious. I think these are some of the core values which ensure that the transformation among students happen. The core talk about values is, but how values are caught and not taught. I think that's something which is very important, and how influence of people around can make a significant change and a transformative change in the lives of youth. And that is something which has happened over the years. And it's great to see that today on Dr. Abdul Kalam's 90th birthday, we have this model, which is Acharya Kalam's human model, which is actually being rededicated to the nation for the next generations. I think today, with the education policy coming up and giving much of importance to development, I think this is the need of the hour, and I'm sure that the future generations will benefit immensely research and work and the thought and the blessings of the great Dr. Abdul Kalam. And I wish the entire team all the very best. Thank you very much, Honorable Governor, for gracing this occasion. And this surely will be inspirational for all of us to take this movement forward. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Gopi Garu. This is again, once again, truly inspirational. The core values that you talk about, what we imbibe as youth, as children, and what sort of adds to our character as we grow up, and then as we add to developing and contributing to the growth of our society in turn. These are all priceless, of immense value, and golden words as you speak. And thank you so much for being a brand ambassador for the Lead India Foundation. I'm sure we couldn't have